Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add shadow effects to letter in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add shadow effects to letter. Firstly write some letter. Then select the text and go to the insert menu. Then click word art drop down menu and choose any word art. Then select the word art text and go to the format menu. Then find and select the text effect. Then choose shadow effect. Now we can see here many shadow effect. You can apply any shadow effect. Now I select this. And we can see here we added shadow effect very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.